What's up, everyone? So this is going to be another manual video. This person here has a question about how to change, or maybe what the type of oil goes in the KA24DE engine. And it is I believe it's 80W90, but we'll go through it and just double check and see. This is going to be a really quick video. If you've seen the one I just uploaded a little bit earlier in the day, I would apologize for the sound. In both videos, something's happened to my mic, it's broke, and also we're getting prepared for Hurricane Michael, so I'm going to go through this kind of quickly and hopefully be beneficial to you. So let's get started. We're looking at the differentials here. You're going to need to decide if you have a four-wheel drive or not. So if not, you're going to be looking right here in this area for your torque. I'm going to go down to checking and changing the differential gear oil. Momentarily we'll go back to this maintenance section, and that'll go through what types are going to be needed. But primarily I want to make sure that you have a chance to get all of these torque specifications. As I stated in my video where I changed the differential, do make sure that before you drain it, that you can open your fill plug, because if you drain it and then something's happened here, you can't open your fill plug, then that's going to be a problem for you. So do make sure that you can open that fill plug. Okay, so let's go back up to the top here and let's go to differential. And yes, it is 80 weight 90 or 80W90 differential oil. And looks like my guess is you're probably going to be on this line, but you will need to verify with your differential. Also, there should be a sticker or dot, I forget. I think on mine, you'll have to check that video, I'll try and link it, but I believe there was a black sticker or black tag, something like that, that said LSD on it, for limited slip differential. Alright, I think it's going to conclude this video. It's really quick running through the manual like this. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them below. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. We really appreciate everyone who comes by and is a subscriber and enjoys our content and gives us some feedback by posting the videos or whatever it may be. So we do really appreciate everyone that comes by. And I think we'll wrap it up. So until next time, be good to each other. Goodbye.